Before 2021, I just completed my bachelor's, right? BCom computers. After that, I just don't know what I was doing in my life for the next 6 months after completing my graduation. I was just playing PUBG, I was playing other video games and just being in the home. And then my parents started pressurizing me to do something in life instead of daily being in the home. So then I started looking for a job. Okay. Meanwhile, I got a job, but however, I want to go to a foreign country because I've seen other people who my friends, relatives who went to foreign countries and they portray it as they're making thousands of dollars, like ton shit amount of money. But after looking at those people, I felt I should go to foreign country, that is Canada. I don't know why I selected Canada, but I want to go there. Okay, so after me deciding to go to Canada, I tried IELTS, I failed one time. After that, I tried one more time, I just got it. And I was about to prepare everything, go to Canada, and unfortunately COVID hit and I was like literally in my home. I mean, I was doing work from home job. Okay, so at that moment the Canada plan was not successfully implemented. After 1 year, the COVID was everything back to normal and I just went to Canada as an international student. After going there, everything is totally different, right? And the jobs, part-time jobs are very hard and I'm getting very less pay. However, along with this, I have a $35,000 debt. Okay, and again in India we sold our mother gold and a lot of negative things actually. And again, after going there, I need to pay my second year college fees, I need to manage my expenses and everything. All I only know is just I need to do part-time job and I need to make money. Okay, so I worked extremely very hard. When I was in my break time, like school break, I worked literally 2 or even 3 jobs. Yes, I used to work at factory weekends and security and also at Indian restaurant on my break. It was really horrible. I used to literally not sleep properly and I used to not eat the food properly. No rest, always work to make more money, because that's how everyone portrayed. I mean, every international student, every relative, every friend who is in abroad, they used to tell only one thing: after coming here you need to work in 1 week 100 hours, 110 hours, 120 hours. You need to work like hell so that you'll make more money. That's completely a bullshit. Yes, that's a complete wrong mindset, but that's how I got educated by this all people, like my friends, relatives and all, everyone. Okay, but one day I realized something very hard. I mean, one thing hit me very hard. That is, I worked on my break. I remember on my break time, I mean on my school break, I was working literally 3 jobs and I was getting paid very less there. In 7 days or 8 days, I believe, I got my pay after working for 8 to 9 days. I don't know exactly, but I think 8 to 9 days. After that, I got a pay of $1,100, somewhere around that. And I got that money credited in my account. And once I got that amount, I spent all the amount in less than 2 minutes. I paid my phone bill, rent, grocery, many other things, and I finally left with 50 to 60 bucks in my bank account. I was literally clueless. The thing is, the worst part here is, after working for like 7 to 8 days, extremely hard, like doing at 3 jobs, I mean working at 3 jobs, I felt after that week, I felt so happy. I felt like I did so much work. I did a lot of work. I'll make so much money, but I got $1,100. After getting that money, I spent in 2 minutes. Then I felt so bad. Oh my God, I worked so hard. I not ate the food properly. I not slept properly. I literally damaged my body, but yet I made $1,100, and I spent in 2 minutes just like that. So I felt this is not a proper way to make money. Then I decided I should do something different. And at the same moment, I read a book called Rich Dad and Poor Dad. In that book, Robert Kiyosaki, in the first lesson itself, clearly says, rich don't work for money. That's a big statement actually. Rich don't work for money. I realized that I need to work on myself. Instead of me spending hours on different part-time jobs on my break, I should work on myself. I should improve my skills. Then I started different business models. Like I tried Amazon FBA, I failed. I tried Shopify, I failed. After that, I tried trading and crypto. I literally failed dramatically, because you know what, I lost somewhere around 6 to 7,000 Canadian dollars. So all the money which I made from my part-time jobs, after clearing everything, every month I used to invest something in crypto and stocks, but everything got minus actually. I literally lost thousands of dollars. Then after that, still I have a belief in myself, I have that fire that I will do something online. And then I came to know about high ticket affiliate marketing. Literally before starting this business, my life is totally different, and even before starting this affiliate marketing also, I was not having a proper laptop. I was having a HP laptop, which is a basic one, and I have no private room. I was living in a living room with, and also I don't have a good background, a good camera. I was filming at that moment in a Samsung mobile. Not even a computer table I just used a chair. On that I kept my luggage, and on that the laptop. You can see this picture. This is how I started my affiliate marketing business. And at that moment I started, but the thing is, I have a worst mindset, that is, I have no money to invest, and I don't want to invest basically, because I just don't want to invest. I want to make money, but I don't want to invest. That kind of a broke mindset I have at that moment. So I started affiliate marketing by a program called Freedom Accelerator. I just invested $7. That is a low ticket. They have actually low ticket, mid ticket, and high ticket. So high ticket is $1,500 at that moment, and low ticket is $7. So I just got into the entry level, that is $7, and I started promoting this $1,500 product. You know, I don't know anything about that $1,500 product. I don't know what is inside that $1,500 digital product. It's like a course actually. So I don't know anything about it, but I started promoting to all my college friends. I started sharing in my WhatsApp groups to my friends who are in Canada, so that because I know those people have that buying power. So if they buy, I'll get $1,000 commission, as the commission percentage is 70. So I did such kind of things. You can see the screenshots on the screen. So I used to chase people actually, right, which is a completely wrong mindset. In business, we should always attract clients. We should not chase them. If you chase, you'll never get a client. Okay. So at that moment, like that, I just wasted 4 to 5 months of my time, and I not made a single penny or single dollar online, because I don't have any skills. All I know is one thing: affiliate marketing means we need to promote other people's products, and if they buy, we will get the commission. So I took my affiliate link, I started promoting to everyone, sharing, spamming the links basically, and I got no sale. But after 4 to 5 months, I've seen other people who started along with me, but they invested. There's a difference between me and them. They invested, and they are making $2,000, $3,000 every single month. I felt so shamed, because you know what, like, we started at the same moment, but they are making money, and I was still spamming the links to every single one. So I was so disappointed, and I decided that I should invest in myself, and I should learn the skills first, so that I can implement and I can make money online. Then I invested my first $1,800. Literally, I was completely broke, but I still managed to pay $1,800 to my first mentor, who taught each and everything to me. Who taught each and everything to me. Okay, so now you might get a doubt, that is, you already broke, you have all this debt. How did you got this $1,800? So I not paid $1,800 in full. I don't have any money, but I used to do security at that moment, because I remembered, yeah. So he given an opportunity to save my spot for $397. I just did that by using my credit card, and you can see my credit card statement, it went minus $500. At that moment, I used to get a security job salary. So I just waited for that. I requested my mentor to give me some time, and I'll pay in installments, and I invested on myself like that. And after that, it took 4 months for me to make my first $1,000, because I just started. I was not focusing on learning. I was not focusing on implementing. I just started, that's it. I was attending the coaching calls, I was listening everything, but not implementing. So after 4 months, again I felt so bad that I invested money, but I not made any money. Then I started working on myself. I started implementing the things. Then I got the result. That is the first breakthrough of me. Okay, $1,000. I became lazy, because I just made $1,000, so I became lazy. After that, I became so serious, and I started implementing the stuff till now, like from maybe September or October 2023 till now. From then to till now, there's only 1 month which I not made money online. That is October 2023. Yeah. Oh, so it means like I was making money from maybe January 2023 onwards. I was making money, and on October 2023, I not made single dollar because I made quite a big amount on August and September, so I was not made any money on the October because I got so lazy. But apart from that, in each and every single month, I made good amount of money that even like a software engineer, maybe he'll make that kind, maybe more than that, I believe. Yeah. And finally, now you might get one doubt, Mihaan, how can I believe that you made that kind of money? Okay, don't believe me. You can see this. This is the first real estate property which I bought in 2024. And this is the second real estate property which I bought in same 2024. And this is the picture you can see. She is my mother, and I bought all the gold for her because she sold all her gold when I went to Canada to arrange the funds. So I bought that kind of gold to my mother. So this is how I started my affiliate marketing business, and this is where I am right now, right? So if you want to get started with your affiliate marketing business, I can definitely help you. All you need to do is you can just apply for my mentorship, which is the link will be in the description. You can check it out. Or if you just want to get started with affiliate marketing with just my course, you can get my course where you can learn everything about affiliate marketing step by step. Even that link I will be providing in the description. Okay. And if you want more knowledge about affiliate marketing, make sure to subscribe to this channel so that I will provide more insights about affiliate marketing and how you can make money online. Okay. Let's get it and see you in the next one.